Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm gonna show you how to change name on Mortal Kombat. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. Next, you will see name on top left corner. You have to click on that and click on change profile name option. Now, here you can type the new username which you want to keep. After typing the username of your choice, you have to click on OK and on Accept. Now your username is changed. So this is how you change your username in Mortal Kombat. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.